this is the alternative formula for acceleration. Acceleration equals to dv by dt or dv by dx into v. Is it okay? Please respond. Yes. So that is what you have to remember. So dv by dx into v. So which is equals to, that is what we can say. Now you can observe very carefully. Now we have dv into v. Is it okay? V dv I can say. So v dv dx is in division. Will come this side. It will become what? All of you. Multiplication. Clear? Rudeshwar? Yes. So v dv is equals to x square into dx. Is it right or wrong? All of you? Is it right or wrong? Ishali? Understood? So that is what. So what is the two importance formula for acceleration? Acceleration is equals to first formula. Yes, please. What is the first formula? Acceleration. dv by dt. Or the second formula, directly you use, what is the formula? dv by dt into
V.
dv by dt into v. Is it okay? Now, is it a limit function or no limits are existed? Everybody check that given function. Is there any limits are there? No limits are there. So I will write v dv is equals to integration of x square dx. Will you all accept it, everybody? Means, yes, please respond. No one, no response.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So x square dx. Now apply integration in both the sides. So of course they are saying v dx is equals to x square 2x. Okay, x square dx, not 2x. So that is what it is. Now let us find it. So v dv is equals to what is the function? Everybody respond. V dv is equals to,
X square dx.
yes, x square dx. Now limit, you can apply the limits. So let me take now velocity integration of 0 to v dv. V dv is equals to integration of x, and x is equals to what will come? Everybody, integration of x equals to 2, which is equals to x square dx. So can you tell me now, what is that v dv? What is the formula? Integration of x dx. What is the formula we have done? X plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, so which is equals to x plus 2 by, x plus 2 by, no response. Yes, x plus 2 or 3 are already square is there. So x
By
is,
3, sir.
yeah. So what will come? So forget about it. This you tell me, x dx, this alone, v dv alone. Forget about this one, this v dv alone. So 0 to v is the limit. So what is the formula will come? Can anybody tell me? V square divided by 2 minus 0.
Divided by 2 minus.
Understanding? In between 0 to velocity. Initial velocity is 0 and final velocity is what? All of you. V. Clear? No response.
Yes, sir.
Now same
Yes,
way,
sir.
apply integration of x square. What will come? X power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1.
Cube by
X
3.
cube by
Yeah.
3.
Divided by 3 plus c. I can keep. So x cube divided by 3. Okay, wa? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, x cube divided by 3 minus. So we all knows. Yeah, we all knows is the limits only. Let it be the function. So as it is x square, what is the function? Everybody, x cube divided by 3. Understanding? So that is what you have to remember it. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. So x cube divided by 3. So now you substitute the limits. Limits is between where to where? Everybody, 0 to
0 to 2.
0 to 2. Okay, I have not given correct. I will give you that values. So please remember. So what is the first question here? We have done a is equals to what? This is our question. Is it correct, guys? Alternative formula. So now here you remember, if a is equals to x square, then find v. Be very careful the question. When find v, okay, find v, x is 2 meters. So x is 2 meters and given at x equals to 0. So x equals to 0 means what is the body condition? Everybody. X
At rest.
is 0. Yes, please. Nobody? Body in not.
Initial.
Is it clear? So that is what. So all of you should focus on this kind of things also. Very, very important questions used to come from this only. Okay. So now we got finally v dx is equals to what? Everybody tell me. V dx is equals to x square.
Dx.
X square dx. Now if I apply the integration both the sides, so here what will come? Everybody, v square divided by 2, which is equals to x cube. What is x cube, everybody? 2 cube divided by 3. So you have to substitute the limits also. So if you substitute the limits, you can see how to substitute the limits. Of course, is there any limits for us? 0 to 0 to where? 0 to 2.
2.
Clear? So now you can see v square. This 2 is in division. Will come this side. What will become? Yes, please.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So 2 power 3 divided by 3. Can you tell me what is the answers? 2 power 3 means what, man? 2 into 2 into 2, which is
8.
2 to the 4. 4 to the how much?
8.
4 to the 8. Ah, super. Wonderful calculations. 4 to
Sir,
the
2 cube 8, sir.
2 cube. Oh, sorry, Amma. 4 2 is 8. Okay, sorry. It is. So 8. So 2 cube. So 2 cube 8. We have to substitute it actually. 1 times 0 we have to substitute. So substitute what will come? So v square is equals to what will come? 2 into. Please respond.
8 by 3.
8 by 3. Is it okay, wa? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So which is equals to what I can say? 16 by 3. Okay.
3.
Now square will come this side. What will become? Root.
Root.
Root 16 by 3, which is equals to, can I write this one as root 16 divided by root 3? Is it right or wrong? Root
Yes,
of
sir.
4 by root 3.
is equals to root a by root b. So what will come, Pradosh? Root 16 we can
4
write
by
4 square, which is
4
equal to
by
16. So what is the
root 3.
answer?
4 by
What is
root
the
3.
answer? 4 by root 3. But this won't be an option. So what we have to do? We have to do numerator and
3 by 3.
denominator.
4 root 3 by
Yeah.
3.
4 root 3 by
4
3.
root 3 by 3. Numerator and denominator I am multiplying with root 3. So answer will come 4 root 3 divided by 3
3.
meter per second. Ellame clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, this one you can solve this is the direct method. This is the direct method substituting the limits. Now, this question you can solve by finding the C value also, R option. Or you can solve R option in such a way, you can see integration of v dv is equals to integration of x square dx. Is it right, everybody? This is what the function. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if I apply the integration, what will come here? Speak loudly. V square by 2, which is equals to, here integration if you do, what will come, guys? X cube by 3, but there is no limit. So there is no limit. So I will represent with what, everybody? C. Okay. And as we know, find V when x is at 2 meters and given x is equals to what, everybody? X is equals to 0. So
0.
what do you mean by x? X means what? X means what actually? dv by dx. What is that? Sorry, dx. What do you mean by x? dv by dx is equals to acceleration we are saying. What do you mean by x? Nobody?
Time.
X is equals to 0 means displacement, amma. Displacement is 0 when the body is what? When the body is 0, displacement.
Yes.
The body is at
Rest.
rest. That is what you have to remember. So what will happen? V square by 2, which is equals to x cube by 3 plus c. Means in the sense of, for this one, velocity is 0 and x is equals to also 0. So if you substitute and find the t value, what will come? 0 square by 2 plus 0 cube by 3 plus c. So which is equals to 0 plus 0. Okay, here equals to, not plus sign. It is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus, what is the symbol? Everybody, C value. Just now we found. You have to find its C value here. So let us see how the C value will come. So C value is equals to what, guys? C value is equals to what? Everybody. C value is equals to nobody.
0.
0. So if you
0.
know C value, then you can go with the directly. So V square by 2 equals to x cube by 3 plus c. Am I correct? You people only told. Yes, please. Because x square, directly I am writing. So x cube divided by 3 plus c. So we all know v square by 2, which is equals to x value how much, Ra? X value how much? All of you. Question you see x
2
is
cube
equals to
by
how much? Yes, please.
2.
Yeah, x is equals to 2. Given. It is given. So v square by 2 is equals to, be very careful, 2 cube by 3 plus c. So v square by 2, which is equals to what we can say. Let me take v square. V square is equals to 2 power 3 divided by 3 into 2. Is it
into 2.
okay? Is it okay, everybody? So that it will turns into 2 power 4 divided by 3 plus c, not even into c. So 2 power 4, what is the answer? 2 power 4 means?
16 by 3 plus.
16.
2 power 4 means 16 by 3 plus
16
c.
by
So that is the answer. Okay? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, all of you?
Yes, sir.
16 by 3. So now 16 by 3. So I can write the root. So v square is equals
So
to,
root of
so R option. 8 by 3 into 4. So if I apply the root, what will happen? Root of 8 by 3 plus 4. So 4 ones are 4 fours are. So that's all, which is equals to, what is the answer? No response. Yes, v square மட்டும்தான் பார்க்குறாங்க. V square is equals to 2 cube 8. 8 by 3, 8 by 3 into 4. This is plus 4. So the plus c actually. C means what? Actually it is a constant. So 16 by 3, are you clear everybody? 16 by 3 is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now you can see, you can equate it also. If you take x equals to 1, x equals to 2, x equals to 3. So if I take, if x is equals to 2 seconds. So be very careful what will come. All of you tell me the formula. Yes, please. 2 seconds, x equals to 2 seconds. What is the formula? Just now we have done. So integration of v dv is equals to integration of x squared dx. So if you apply the things, what will happen? V square by 2, differentiation is 0 to v, which is equals to here d square is x square. What is the differentiation? X cube by
By
x cube by 3. Understanding? And the limits for this one, it is mentioned that 0 to 2. What is the limits, Ra? 0 to 2. For
0
this
to
one,
2.
limits is 0 to v. So if we substitute, what will come? V square by 2, which is equals to here, this one is 2 cube by 3. Is it okay, Wa? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how it will be 2 cube by 3? I'll substitute it here. Check it everybody. So v square by 2 minus 0 equals to 2 cube by 3 minus 0. Is it right or wrong? Both the cases, am I correct? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is v square by 2. V square by 2 minus 0. This is x cube. X cube means what? What is the value of x? Sorry, 2 cube. Sorry, I'm not saying, I'm saying x. This is 2 cube. So 2 cube by 3. 2 cube by 3 means what? 2 cube by
8 by
3.
3.
8 by
Yes.
3.
8 by 3. Clear? No response. So
Yes, sir.
2 cube by 3. Okay. So or else we can take v square. So v square is equals to, be very careful. I can say v square by 2 is equals to 2 cube by 3. Now I want v square. So v square means I will take 2 is into custody here. If I notice it. So what will happen? It is in multiple division. Will come this side. What will become Ra? Yes, please.
Multiplication.
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 2 into 2 power cube divided by 3, which is equals to what? What is the answer? Everybody.
3.
Huh?
16 by
By
1.
3.
16 by 3 or 8 by 3 or 2 cube?
16 by
8 by
Huh?
16 by
16.
by
Okay.
3.
2 cube means 8. 8 twos are how much? 16. 16 by 3.
16.
Okay. So, but we have v square, but we want v. So, v is equals to what will come?
4 by root 3.
Power
4 by root 3.
Of 16 by 3, which is equals to root 14 by root 3, which is equals to root 14 means, oh, sorry, root 16.
16.
Root 16. Root 16 means what? 4 square.
4.
So cancel root 3, which is equals to what is the answer? All of you.
4
4
root
by root
4
3.
meter per second. So you can take any method. Finally, you will get the answer. Is it okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you understood or not? Please respond. So from
Yes, sir.
this point, either you can solve in this way or in this way, your choice. So whatever is convenient, you can solve it. So this is the alternative method, easier method. But finding the C value, we can find it. Or else you can go with the normal also, you can substitute it. But remember, if you don't know the limits, it is indefinite. If you have a limits, it is definite. Is it okay? Yes. All of you?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
have you noticed it? Alternative method, there is no use of limits. Have you checked it? P square by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So directly we'll get it. V square by 2 means actually here limits I written wrongly. You can strike this one. Sorry, this one. So here no limits. Directly we'll get what, Ra? Directly we'll get what?
2
X cube by
x cube by 3.
3. So directly we know x equals to what? X equals to what? Everybody?
2.
2. Understanding? So 2 I will substitute. So 2 cube by 3. That's all. So v square by 2 is equals to 2 cube by 3. So that what will happen? This 2 is in division. Will come this side. What will become? Everybody?
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
So that is what you will get it. So v is equals to, so I will write it here if you are having doubt. 2 cube into 2 divided by 3, which is equals to 2 power 4 divided by 3. 2 power 4 means what? 2 power 4 is
16.
24. 2
16.
power 4 means 16 divided by 3. Remember, this is not 24. 2 power 4. Be very careful. 2 power 4 means how much, guys? 16. Limit
16.
here, that is. So 16 divided by 3, 16 by 3 we got it. So this is what, how to solve it. Alternative method. So it's directly we can substitute. So v square, v is equals to 16 by 3 and equals to 4 by root 3. Any doubt, guys, in this? Please kindly let me know. Clear?
No, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
this
sir.
is one of the most important question. You can solve in ordinary way or you can solve in this way also. So which is convenient for you, you can use and you can solve. But here if you are doing it, we have to use it. We have to find the C value. If you find the C value, you can do it. Is it okay, guys? Yes.
Sir.
Yeah, that is what you have to remember. Any doubt, anybody can ask. Okay, Rudreshwar, understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is what it is. Okay. So please proceed. Any doubt, anybody can make. So what is the answer? 4 root 3 by 3 meter per second. Here also you can modify it if you want it. So how we can write? 4 root 3 divided by 3 meter per
Second.
second. That is what. So here if you want to solve this formula, you have to remember for this question, you have to remember acceleration has how many formulas? Two formulas. What one formula is? Everybody respond. A is equals to dv by
A is equal to
dt.
dv by
And
dt.
second formula is, what is the second formula? A is equals to
A is equal
dv
to
by
dv by
dt
dt
into
into
v. Clear? Yes, Pradosh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is. So for this question, we are using which formula? Second formula. dv by dt means t means x. You can remember. dv by dx into v, which is equals to what? Everybody, what is the function? A equals to x square. Yes or no? Please respond. All of you.
Sir.
Yes. So dv by dx equals to v, which is equals to a. A means x square. So in place of a, I am writing what, Pradosh? I am writing the x square.
X
So from that I will see this dx I will send this side. So it is become multiplication. So what will come? V dv is equals to x square dx. Then you can substitute the timings. T equals to 0, 2 t equals to 2. Normally limits. This is a definite integration. So if you keep on substituting definite integration, we'll get the final value. What is the final value? 4 root 3 divided by 4 root 3 divided by 3. Clear?
3.
That is what. Now, or else you can go with alternative method. That is what for finding the C. So C value I can find. So 0 by 2, which is equals to 0 by 3, 0 power 3 divided by 3. That's all. So C is equals to what will come? 0. So directly I can find the value. So V square by 2 is equals to x cube by 3 plus C. So V square by 2 is equals to x value how much, guys? X value how much?
2.
2. Clear? X value is 2. So 2 cube by 3 plus C. So if you find it, V square equals to 2 cube by 3 into, what will happen? This 2 is in division. Will come this side. Multiplication and plus C. Any doubt in this till here? Please respond. So if you
No,
find
sir.
it answer, what is the answer will come? 2 power 4 divided by 3, which is equals to 16 by 3 plus C. Any doubt in this? Anyone can ask me. 16 by 3 plus C. Is it okay, convenient or not? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
if you solve this one, well, already we got the answer 4 root 3 divided by 3. Now, or else I don't want this method. Then we can go with the direct method. We'll find C value. So how to find C? So we all know V dt is equals to x square dx. So x cube divided by 3. So we got V square. Finally, V equals to V. I got it. 4 root 3 divided by 3 is the answer. Is it okay, everybody? Yes. So this is the
Yes,
alternative
sir.
method. So whatever you want, you can solve it. So alternative method, which is easy for you. You don't need to solve this also for alternative method. Directly you can go. So this is what normally V square equals to 16 root 3 is coming. So without that also, have you got the 16 by 3? Have you got it or not? Have you checked it?
Yes, sir.
Indefinite integration. This is indefinite integration. So no limits is applicable. So V square by 2 is equals to x cube. X value, we know that. X value, how much they have given? 2. So 2 cube by 3. So if you do that, next 2 is in division, will come this side, will become multiplication. So 2, 3 into 2, 1, which is equals to 2 power 4 divided by 3. So 2 power 4 means 16 and divide by 3 means 3 only. So 2 power 4 means how much value, guys? 2 power 4. 2 power
16.
4 means 16. Okay. Another color I am marking. So be very careful. So 2 power 4 divided by 3, which is equals to 16 by 3. That's all. So what will happen? Everybody, velocity equals to root of 16 by 3. Then I will say the root is split into both. Root like that. Root of a by b, which is equals to root a divided by, everybody, root a divided
B.
by root b can write. So root 16 divided by root 3. This is what it is. Next you apply root 16. How I can write, guys? Root 16 how I can write?
4.
Root of 4 into 4, which is equals to root of 4 square. So square and root will get cancelled. So divided by root 3. So what is the final answer? 4 by root 3. Is it okay?
4.
4 by root 3. Directly you got it or not? Understood?
Yes,
So 4
sir.
by root 3.
Yes,
So
sir.
4 by root 3 also we can call as 4 into root 3 by root 3 by
3 meters.
Okay. So that is what you have to understand. Is it okay, guys? Yes.
Sir.
Yeah, till here, please kindly practice. This last question is very, very important. So you have to remember V is equals to 2. V means when we find V when X is equals to 2 meters. That is what X equals to how much, guys? Value. We have taken X equals to 2 meters. And they have given that given at X equals to 0, when body is at where? Body is at.
Rest.
So that is why what is the limit, Rudreshwar, we are taking? 0 to 2 is the limit. So this is the ordinary way. If you don't want, we can solve in our extra in this way. But you have to remember, if you want to solve this formula, we need to know acceleration is equal to what is the formula? Everybody learn. Yes, please. What is the acceleration formula? dv by dt.
dv by dt.
Understanding? Or we can get what? Acceleration is equal to everybody. dv by
dv by
dx.
dx into v.
Into
That is
V.
that is the another formula for acceleration. So we have by applying this only, you people can solve this question. Is it okay, guys? Everybody understood or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are all the questions. Please kindly revise. Then from here, then tomorrow equations of motion. 3 equations of motion. How to derive by using differentiation. We will proceed and we'll continue from there. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all about the today's class. Hope you all are very clearly understood. Anybody having any doubt, please kindly let me know. Is it okay? Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yeah. Please
Yes, sir.
proceed. So with this, let me stop and we'll continue here tomorrow's class. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.